myself Shashank Narsaria from Seven Oceans Entertainment, and today we are hosting Shadi by Marriott at 4 Points by Sheraton in Navi Mumbai. It's a great evening in the taking in consideration the wedding events, and for the guests who will be arriving, it will be an experience for them that how events can be curated in this property in terms of weddings and pre-wedding events. It's a overall journey of an hospitality and the kind of services the food hotel will serve. I hope you have a great evening.
Namaste, I'm Kiran. I'm the hotel manager at the 4 Points by Sheraton, Navi Mumbai. This is our season 4 of Shadi by Marriott Bonvoy. Every year we keep growing to better, but this time we have grown 3x. Not only that, we had partners, we had people to come and sign up for wedding from all over Mumbai. So not only that, we've been the largest wedding venue in Navi Mumbai. Now I think we've also been the most loved venue. So I'm so happy and proud and privileged to be part of this particular hotel. Thank you.
Shadi by Marriott Bonvoy. This is our season 4, where we always come up with the different setups which any wedding couple would dream of to have their wedding a successful or great wedding. We have a different 2 venues, which is Sky Grill and the Unison Banquet Hall. We have over here to showcase different setups, which could be indoor, outdoor, vidhi, cocktails, receptions. We have expertise of our chef who have the different sort of cuisines which any couple would want to plan for their event. That is what we can present to you all today for this particular event. Thank you so much.
Shatari, I'm the Associate Director of Sales at 4 Points by Sheraton, Navi Mumbai, Vashi. So this has been one of the greatest wedding fairs that we do year on year, and this is one of the 4th seasons of this year that's happening. Thank you to everyone who has made this event a major success, our partners, vendors, the hotel team and the sponsors who have helped this show be a great success, and we look forward to have the success on and on every year with the spirit high, and so that we can promote Shadi by Marriott in each and every tenure and each and every phase of the hotels. Thank you so much.
देखो, पहली बात तो 4 पॉइंट्स में ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल से जुड़ा हूँ, और शादी में जो इनका प्रोग्राम होता है, ये मतलब इससे समझ आता है कि जो हम जैसे काफ़ी कस्टमर हैं जिनको पता ही होता है शादी में क्या करना चाहिए, डेकोरेशन क्या होनी चाहिए, सब होनी चाहिए, तो एक ऐसा अरेंजमेंट करते हैं जिससे सब उनको फैसिलिटी यहाँ पे मिलती है और देखने आते हैं। तो ये नवी मुंबई में एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है जो शादी विद मैरिड 4 पॉइंट ने स्टार्ट किया है, तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है मेरे हिसाब से। थैंक यू।